We are a major bank with branches in 4 Middle Eastern countries. It was time to upgrade our network security, and we knew we needed to look more closely at encrypted traffic. We chose a best-in-class SSL decryption appliance, firewall, and security sandbox from different vendors. We wanted to send the unencrypted data to the other 2 devices without dropping any packets.
This is exactly the kind of problem we know how to solve. First, we insert an external bypass in front of the security devices. The bypass provides super fast failover and lets IT bring their security tools on or offline with no disruption to the network. Next, we add a network packet broker, or NPB, to filter all the traffic and deliver only data of interest to each device. This makes the company's security tools much more efficient.
We were really pleased with Ixia's proposal. Our initial estimate was $1.6 million and beyond our budget. Ixia's proposal came in at nearly half that and enabled us to do things we have never done before, like daisy-chaining our security tools and having the budget to deploy high availability. Ixia's solution exceeded our expectations and allows us to make network changes in the future without impacting availability. Ixia iBypass switches and network packet brokers give us greater network visibility and save approximately $680,000.
When it comes to visibility, Ixia is unmatched in performance and ease of use. Visit www.ixiacom.com for more information and to get a demo.